Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to another video, man. It's your boy Broadwayyy. Welcome to my channel, man. Today is a very special day, I will say the least. Listen, bro, I have come such a long way, bro, in this YouTube shit, bro. And I've yet to really grasp or grab or obtain one of the most important things I feel like a YouTuber should have. And that's his own personal camera. So as you guys can tell by the title, I went to Best Buy today and I copped me something new today, man. I got me a very expensive camera. I'm really excited, bro, because this is another new journey for me. A lot of y'all know, bro, like I've been on this journey for a long time. If you've been here with me for some years, bro. But let's hop right into this video, man. So as I told y'all, man, as y'all can tell by the title, bro, yes, I got it. I copped it. So yes, I went to Best Buy today, bro, and I copped the Canon M50 Mark II. I've been seeing a lot of other YouTubers with this camera specifically, so I'm just knowing that it's gonna give me the look that I'm looking for. Yeah, bro, you don't have to start with the most expensive camera, bro. You can start with what you have. Wow, bro, this is my very first like DSLR, bro. Like this is my very first camera, bro. Like where's my other camera at? Let me show y'all what else I had. I bought this camera, hold on. I bought this camera right here, bro, in like 2000. I bought this camera right here in like 2016 through 2017. It is a Sony HX80. I believe that's what it is, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong down below in the comments. It does have the flip over camera and everything like that. I felt like it was perfect for vlogging when I very first started. It's cool, man, but this thing here done been through some things. I done dropped it, fucked up a couple of buttons on the end, bro, you know, so I have a hard time keeping it on a tripod. So I really been just using my iPhone for the most part. I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max. That's what I've been using lately, but I had to go and invest into a new camera because it's time, bro. It's time to take this YouTube shit to the next level. And if you want to take it to the next level, bro, you got to invest. You know what I'm saying? I remember when I first started, bro, I didn't have a MacBook. You know what I'm saying? I was using like a Windows, small ass Windows computer PC. Like I said, the camera I had before this one was trash. It looked like an Android, but I was still, go back and look at my very beginning of my videos. Years ago, you will see the camera quality terrible, bro. You feel me? But I started with what I had. So that's what I advise all you guys to do. If you are looking into starting YouTube and you're looking to figure out if the Canon, not even just this camera, but looking to start with, you know, trying to figure out what camera to use, bro, I'm telling you right now, just use your iPhone to start. It has good quality. We all know that, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Apple, you dig? Let's go ahead and open this up, man. What's this? My limited warranty. All right. I guess it's the handbook to teach me everything I need to know. I got the Canon strap. If y'all didn't know, my last name is Canon, by the way, too. So, hey, it just makes it more sweeter, you know what I'm saying? So I got the strap. What's this? Oh, this is the lens. Bro, this is crazy, bro. Bro, I got a fucking Canon camera, bro. This is wild, bro. YouTube videos going to a whole nother level going forward, bro. Like, my videos in general, bro, about to go stupid, bro. Now, once I start recording, I will make another video probably in about another 2-3 weeks just to give y'all an update on how I feel the camera is. Wow, like, it feels good, bro. It feels good. It's not that big, you know what I mean? The Canon M50 Mark II, guys. Check it out. Make sure you, what I will suggest, bro, whenever you are looking into like technical shit and like looking for electronics, always do your research. Study the product before you go out and buy it. I also did check out, like I said, I seen YouTubers with this specific camera, and I did my research on it a little bit to figure out if this camera would be best for me. And I felt like it was, so that's why I went out and got it. This camera also does come with a slide. Hold on, I can't get it out. There we go. mirrorless camera. You can hold it like this. You can do it like this. It's pretty cool, man. Wow, bro. This is crazy, bro. I don't know if I'm gonna really do a lot of photography with this camera. I may dibble and dabble just to see, you know what I mean? I never really been a big photographer, more so just want to shoot movies. Honestly, it feels light, it's not that heavy. It's the perfect size, to be honest, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It's the perfect size. Let's look at the comparisons. Not that, yeah, it is a big difference, but still, not too much, you know. All right, man, that's enough for that. Oh shit, I just hit my lens. Be careful, baby, I'm sorry. So right now it's asking me about my time zone. Of course, I'm in Los Angeles right now. Shout out to all my LA people right now. Oh, wow, bro. That is crazy, man. Oh, wow. Oh, it's over with, bro. Oh my God, what? Yo, this shit looks crazy, bro. Oh my God, my video's finna go to a whole nother level, bro. Oh my God. What? This is insane. Look at the quality. I'm officially a YouTuber now, bro. Damn. That's crazy. Oh my God, bro. It also is touchscreen for a lot of y'all that didn't know. Now, I also want to show you guys what else I did get, because as you know, bro, when you grab a camera, you also have to grab new gear. You know what I mean? So I did also grab the Joby GorillaPod Creators Kit. A lot of, bro, I'm telling you, I'm giving y'all the real juice right now. If you want to start YouTube, I'm telling you, and you got the money now. If you don't got the money, don't worry about it, bro. But if you got the money, invest. I'm telling you, you're gonna make it back, bro. I'm telling y'all right now. One thing I will honestly say that I never truly did with this YouTube shit, bro, is go all in. I've always had one foot in, one foot out. GorillaPod Creator Kit. It comes with a tripod. It comes with a microphone. It comes with a microphone cover. This is crazy, bro. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. This is crazy, bro. I'm excited, bro, for this new journey. Now, I will say this. I'm gonna have to get a bigger tripod. This not big enough. I thought it was gonna be, but it's fine. I'm gonna probably go to the store tomorrow and buy a bigger tripod. It's not that big. It's okay. It's fine, because I'm gonna use it still for, you know, if I want to put it on certain things, you know what I mean, and just have it sit there. That John on like that. Yup. Come on now. Yeah, sirski. So now we got the tripod on. Let's try to put this microphone on. All right, so I'm a little lost. Now I gotta figure out how to put this my book in. Okay. Slide that in there like that. Try not to break it. Got that, John, child. There you have it. Shout out to all my new YouTubers out there, all my new content creators. For anybody out there that is watching this video, bro, like I said, if you want to start, bro, just start with what you got. You don't have to go out and spend and buy a $700 camera. You don't have to do that. You know what I'm saying? I went and did it, even though I'm starting from scratch. Again, I went and did it because I've been doing this shit. You know what I'm saying? So I'm new, starting all over again, but I'm not new. You know what I mean? I've been in the game. So yeah, bro, that's pretty much it. I'm excited. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the rest of my videos going forward, bro, because the quality, everything like that is about to be mwah. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, bro. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell, man. You know what I'm saying? So y'all know when I drop a video, dog. I'm out, man. Peace.